Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. My name is Fitria Rahmawati, MPD, and I am your tutor, and I will guide you in the online tutorial of Structure 2 during this semester. Okay, class, there are several subtopics that will be discussed in this semester, namely conjunction and transition, sentences and clauses, questions and passive voice, comparisons, reported speech, noun clauses, and adverbial clauses. I hope that you enjoy all tutorials, all initiations, and engage in all activities and discussions. And don't forget to submit your assignment at the third, the fifth, and the seventh meeting. Please bear in mind that these online tutorial greatly contribute for about 30% on your total score of structure 2. I wish you all the best and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.